Once React Native Playground gets an update, on launch it will show you this screen. This means it wants to refresh assets in working directory. It will go and replace contents of selected folders. So if you had some changes, for example, in modules folder, you want to uncheck it, and this means this folder will be left untouched. It will not do anything with modules folder content. But now I will go and replace all assets. If you wanted to skip this operation, but you still want, for example, new tools later, or you, for example, broke some tools you wanted to use later, or you were experimenting with something, just open folder menu. For example, now I want to reset tools content, and tap on last button with folder and clock icon. It will ask you if you really want to restore folder content from assets. For example, let me just delete some tools. I don't want this directory reload tool and color palette tool. Yeah, and I'm really pissed off by this JSON format tool. Okay, so now I really want them back. So to do so, I tap on this icon, and yes, I want to reset this assets folder. And yeah, it takes time, right? Yeah. So okay, all the tools are back. So we can continue, and so in this way, if you want, you can experiment with this. Even if you broke something, it doesn't really matter. You can restore anytime.